In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a new form on Freshsales CRM. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales CRM account and you are on the main dashboard. We will start by opening the admin area because web forms are managed from the settings side of the platform. On the left navigation bar, click Admin Settings. It is the gear icon, and it will take you into the configuration options for your account. Once you are in Admin Settings, look for the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. This is where Freshsales groups the tools that affect how you capture and manage people and companies in your CRM. In that section, click on Web Forms. This opens the Web Forms area, where you can create new forms and manage any existing ones. Now you are ready to create a form. Click the Add Web Form button. Freshsales will open the Form Builder, where you can design what your website visitors will see and control what information is collected in the CRM. Next, you will customize the fields on the form. Click Add Contact Fields, then choose the fields you want to include. Common examples are name and email, but you can select whatever matches your process. As you add fields, decide which ones are essential for your team. For the fields you must have, mark them as required. This helps keep your lead data clean and ensures submissions include the minimum details you need to follow up properly. After that, set what happens when someone submits the form. You have two main options. You can display a custom message, or you can send them to a redirect URL. Use a custom message if you want a simple confirmation right on the page. Use a redirect URL if you want to send them to a specific thank you page on your site. When you are happy with the form setup, click Save. Then select Get Code Snippet. This provides the HTML or JavaScript code you will embed on your website. Copy the snippet carefully, making sure you capture the entire block. Finally, paste that snippet into your website in the HTML body or in the footer, depending on how your site is built and where you want the form to appear. Save your website changes, publish them, and test the form to confirm submissions work as expected. And that is all there is to it.